Alright guys, there's a second pack in there. Got a couple 3S packs in there right now. I'll take the Fireteam out for a little bash. Put you on the headset on. Hopefully you're in the right spot because I didn't check the camera angle. But I did lose a pin on the last run, I think, unless it didn't come with it. Maybe we can find it. I doubt it. Out here in the mud. Out here in the dirt parking lot or field out here. Definitely need to tighten up the diff fluid in the center so we can get some wheelies going on. Does have a lot of power though, guys. It's actually a fun truck. It's kind of my style. Little flat land, little jumps, and if you saw the last video, it took a pretty good beating on its tumbles. So a little berm right here. It likes the little berm right here. Oh yeah, there's the power. Put the new batteries in there, it's got all sorts of juice. Oh, man, it can tumble with the best though. Big old turtle shell on it, just like the Mojave. Just like the Mojave, man. It can roll with the best. Big old shell on it. The Mojave protects it a little better though with the full body. That's why that thing's a beast. This one's like a turtle, it just rolls on its top. Oh, nose plant. It has been raining here. Oh, almost did a backflip. Not even close. Need to come out here and make a little track. Keep the weeds down. Ah, oh, there you go. Thing's just an animal, guys. Well worth the $399. Yeah, if you're ever thinking about picking up a 6S car, this would have been the car to get for the price point. Just needs a little bit of tuning, a little thicker diff fluid. Like I said, I'm gonna try 100 in the front and back, and then 500 in the center, and see what that does. Maybe 1,000,000 in the center, but I think 500 would be good. Should pop up that front. You can see the front tires ballooning, so I think it needs a little thicker. So I think there's only like 10,000 or something like that in it. It's really light, they said. Maybe 100 in the center. I can't remember exactly what it is, but I looked it up, and yeah, it was pretty. That's pretty light. I know we're gonna overheat this thing because I've just been running it straight. Oh, there goes the wheelie. Oh, there goes the wheelie. Yeah. Ooh, oh, that was so close. Thought for sure I was getting hit. Went right behind me. Oh, oh, the farthest point too. Oh yeah. I think with a couple small upgrades on it too, like the get rid of the plastic supports in the front and back, go with some maybe M2C racing, get all the shock tower mounts, supports, start with those, then you get that front rear, and then that upper rear should be pretty good on this thing. Oh, slap wheelie. Kind of pushes the front when you get on it in the turn. It ain't no race truck, that's for sure. Just kind of pushes the front, lifts the front up and pushes it. But slow down a little bit and they hook up pretty good. All right, guys. Even with the little gun sticking out there, not too bad of a looking vehicle. It's not a truck, a buggy. So it Fireteam, guys, worth the money. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.